from the Wellington County Museum and Archives with a new Museum on Your Doorstep project. This time we are going to be making an excellent Father's Day card. So grab your kits and let's get started. So to make our excellent Father's Day card, you are going to need these items that you can see here. In your kit, you will find a piece of white paper, 2 googly eyes, and a piece of yellow foam. And then at home, I would like you to find a glue stick or glue. I'll also like you to find a pair of scissors. And then finally, you will also need a black marker and a colored marker. It can be pink, it can be blue, it can be green, it can be any color that you'd like. So you can pause the video here, go and find those items, gather everything together, and we'll get started on the first step. So the first step in making our excellent Father's Day card is we're going to take this white piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half like a hamburger style. So you're going to take this paper, fold it over just in half like so, and squish down the middle. So it looks just like this, and when you open it, this is the inside. Once you have your piece of paper folded in half, we're then going to take the piece of yellow foam and cut it into a circle. So you can grab your scissors and just as you go, sort of cut off the corners and make a circle shape with the yellow foam. This is going to be the inside of the egg, or the yolk of the egg. Just like this. Once you have this circle cut out, we're then going to take our glue stick, and anywhere on the front of the card here, we're going to glue our yellow foam down onto the paper. So I've got my glue stick, and I'm going to put my egg yolk right about here. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue down there, and then take my piece of foam, squish it down so it's nice and stuck. There we go. So here we have our egg yolk on our piece of paper. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to draw the outline of the egg, and for this we are going to need our black marker. Now you can make whatever egg shape that you would like. You can even do a scrambled egg if you want to do something really, really crazy. I like fried eggs, so I'm going to just draw a little outline of the egg, just like so, around my yellow yolk. Just like how it might look in the pan here. So we've got my outline of the egg. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a little face onto our yolk. And for this, we're going to need our 2 googly eyes. We'll also need our glue stick, and then we'll also need our markers for this part. So let's start with the googly eyes. We're going to glue them onto the piece of yellow foam here. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue onto my googly eye, and I'm going to glue it down just like this. Same with the other one. There we go. We've got some eyes for our egg. Now I think my egg needs some cheeks, so I'm going to take my pink marker here and I'm going to add a little bit of rosy cheeks on each side. And finally, I'm going to add a smiley face, just like this. There we go. Now for our Father's Day card, I'm going to write a message on the front. Now, I am a big fan of dad jokes. I'm sure many of you have heard a lot of great dad jokes, maybe from your own dad. And so for this one, I'm going to write, "You're an excellent dad." Here we go. Just like this. Now you can color and decorate it however you like as well. You can grab some more markers or crayons and color anything that you like. And of course you can also, when you open it, add a message inside and give it to your dad for Father's Day. And voila, here is your excellent Father's Day card that you can give to Dad this Father's Day. And you'll also want to check out our website for all of our upcoming events, more Museum on Your Doorstep programs, and all of our fun summer activities. You can check out our website at www.wellington.ca/museum, and we hope to see you again soon.